When it comes to Boxcutter, pressing D brings up the Pie menu. In the past, we've attempted to do everything in the Pie menu and have it fit most of the options that accommodate. However, over time, it has become a little unwieldy to the point that we felt the need to attempt something a little bit cleaner for this release. So as a result, in the behavior panel under display, there's now an option for simple pie. And by toggling this, you can now see that whenever you press D, that the pie is a lot more simplified, where basically you'll be able to jump to your function that you want to do, and you'll also be able to choose draw line or wedge. And same with Ngon, you'll be able to go in and jump it over to cyclic or lasso, depending on the state that you need for Ngon. And with custom, we can see that with custom, we simply have just draw, line, and wedge as its alternative behaviors that you're able to jump to. We'll be expanding more on this pie as our releases go on, but I just wanted to let it be known that this is the release that we are going to try working on a new pie for this particular version of Boxcutter.